This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 31C is a Class A RV. It is located in Orange Park, FL 32073 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 7, Slideout, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2022 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 31C is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.